Morning, Jettie Rockers. How y'all doing? Welcome to Jettie Rocks Fishing, and I'm Mike D. Well, this morning we're going to do another catch and cook. I was out yesterday with my buddy Brian from work, and we had the plan to go do some triple tail fishing. Well, it didn't turn out that way. It was a little rough. The current was bad. We didn't see any fish at all. Couldn't get anything. So we decided to come back into the jetties, and while we're at the jetties, I ended up catching this really nice black drum. And after we caught the black drum, we went out hopping some of the close reefs, and Brian did catch a really big, nice black sea bass for being this close to shore, which was pretty cool. So check out this clip, these couple clips actually. Hooked up. Feels like a nice sheephead, actually. Feels like a really nice sheephead. It is. It's a big one. Grab that net, buddy. It's a big old boy. Is that a drum? It's a drum. Nice black drum. Nice black drum. Ooh, he's fighting in that current. Awesome. Thank you, buddy. Yep. Ooh, got black drum. There we go. Nice drum. Heck yeah, guys. Now that's what we're talking about. There he goes. Nice black drum, y'all.
There you go.
Yes, sir. Throw him in the box. See how big he is real quick. 19-inch fish. Sweet.
Nice.
Awesome.
First one in the box.
Yes, sir. Well, guys, we weren't catching nothing at the jetties other than that one drum, so we came out here to the a local reef just offshore. It's hooked up. Something decent. Fighting good. I don't see no color yet. Oh, what is that? That's a big old sea bass. He's a keeper.
Nice.
Look at the size of that sea bass, dude. Come on. Right on. Not that big, but let's see. Oh, sea bass. We're catching some sea bass, guys. Getting bigger for me, but not as big as Brian's. That thing was big. Nice little sea bass, though. All right, guys, we're at the cleaning table. I got my black drum here. We're just gonna real quick clean them up. We're gonna do this a real simple way today. Just come along this backbone, just like that. Run that knife right along those fins, right along that backbone. Slide it in, just like that. Yep. The concrete guys are starting to work now. I thought I was going to beat them out here, but I didn't. So now we got to deal with all that noise. I'm just going to cut this off. And we are going to leave the skin and scales on, because we're going to do this on the half shell. Quick and easy. I'm having a hard time this morning. There we go. Fishing's been a little bit tough for me lately. Past couple weeks I've been out 2 or 3 times, and one time I went catfishing in the St. John's, didn't catch anything at all. So a couple of the river trips, didn't catch nothing. Well, yesterday got this one black drum, but that's about it. So it's been kind of a tough couple weeks for me. gonna make something happen here pretty soon. There we go. Clean these up real quick. All right, guys, we're gonna cut these little bones out right here. Right here. Come through the skin. Just like that. This one I already pretty much got good. There we go. There we go, guys. We got 2 awesome little black drum fillets for the grill. They look pretty good. Nice meat. Alright, guys, well, I will see you all at the grill. Alright, guys, I got my black drum here. And I'm going to put some of this Moore's Zesty Garden Herb marinade sauce on it. I've used this before. This stuff is outstanding. I think this is some of the best stuff you could use to put on fish, especially if you're going to grill it. It is outstanding, y'all. So I'm just going to put a little bit on here, just like that, both fillets. And that's pretty much all we're going to do, guys. Sometimes I like to put Parmesan cheese on my fish, but I'm just going to leave it just like this. And we're going to put that on the grill. Alright, guys, I'll see you at the grill. Alright, guys, well, I got my grill nice and hot. So we're going to go ahead and set these black drum fillets on here. Just like that. We're going to let them cook for like 15 minutes, maybe go to 20, see how they're doing. But they should come out really good. Alright, see you guys in a little bit. Alright, guys, let's see how they're doing. Oh yeah, they're looking really good. Looking really good. Right now my grill. Hey Jettie Rockers, real quick while I'm letting that cook on the grill, I want you guys to go check out a friend of mine's YouTube channel. My friend Richard, he's got a YouTube channel called Southern Spirit for Life. He's at 462 subscribers. We need to get him up to 1,000 if we could. He's a good guy. He's a personal friend of mine. And I really like to get his channel up there. So if you guys could, real quick, go over and check out that channel and give him a like, give him a subscription, and help him out, y'all. Thanks, guys. Alright, guys, let's check this out. Oh, man, it looks good. Yep. I would say that is done. Alrighty. First one. Alright, there's the second one. Alright, guys, this is looking awesome. Man, these things smell awesome. We're just going to put a little bit of this on top. Just like that. Alright, we're going to plate this up. Man, that smells good. Alright, Jettie Rockers. I got my black drum all done on the grill, on the half shell. And this is the first time I've done black drum on a half shell. So I've done redfish plenty of times, and I've done some other stuff. But black drum, this is my first. So let's see how this tastes, guys. Holy moly. Guys, check out how white that meat is, how flaky that meat is. Wow. This is the way to cook black drum, guys. This is fantastic. Man. I'm telling you, half shell on the grill with that Moore's Zesty Garden. Oh my gosh. You can't go wrong with this. I mean, you can't. This is absolutely the best way to eat fish, bar none. I mean, it's just awesome, and I'm a big fan of fried fish, but this kills it. Real quick, guys, I want to give a shout out to a subscriber, Mark in Ocala, who I got this in the mail last night. He sent this to me. It was a nice pair of pliers by Piscifun. I mean, these are some killer pliers, man. Thank you very much, brother, for sending these to me, because he made a note saying that he's noticed in a lot of my videos I'm always asking where my pliers are. So now I got them. I can put them on my hip with my belt loop. This is awesome. I really appreciate it, Mark. Thank you very much, and thank you for your support on the channel. I appreciate you as a subscriber, and this is awesome. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this little catch and cook. It's been a little tough lately out there catching fish. Weather's been bad with these fronts coming in and out. I've been a couple times and I just haven't been able to really kill it, to be honest with you. So hopefully here pretty soon that'll change, that'll turn around. Until I get to see you guys soon here on the water. Tight lines, y'all. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, guys, tight lines. Hey Jettie Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jettie Rocks Fishing and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page which will send you a link to my Teespring page where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers.